Now, this is aspirin. It causes metabolic disorder in a younger uh, children's. Uh, it also causes the failure of liver. And similarly, this nimesulide also we are not giving to children's because it also give similar type of toxicity. Now, next is elderly patient, that is old age persons. They are also adverse drug reaction include drug interaction are common cause of the admission to the hospital or in elderly patient. Reason of adverse drug reaction in the elderly is concomitant use of several medication, means they are having number of prescription, number of complication, and they are having taking the medicine for sugar, they are taking medicine for bp, they are also taking medicines for some other drugs, and now they admitted in a hospital with the these all uh, treatment, under this all treatment and taking the medication, and that type of medication also cause a drug adverse reaction. uh, Decrease the drug ADME also is a very mm, very commonly cause in elderly patient because their absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion activity is decreased in the old patient. These conditions are exacerbated by the malnutrition, dehydration, and common in elderly patient. This is also a cause of drug adverse reaction in old patient. These three reasons is there for the ADRs. Now, one more important reason, that is pregnancy. Pregnancy is also factor which cause the drug adverse reaction. Sulfonamides, it causes jaundice and brain damage in the fetus. Similarly, warfarin we are giving to avoid the coagulation of blood, and these also cause the birth defect and increase the risk of bleeding problem in newborn and mother. And third is lithium. Lithium we are giving in the psychotic problems, and this lithium also cause a defect in heart, uh, that is abscestin anomaly. Here the formation of heart is not proper, lethargy, reduced muscle tone, and underactivity of thyroid gland. In lactating mother or breastfeeding condition also cause drug adverse reaction. Many of drugs can pass from mother to infant via breast milk. Example is amantadine, antiviral drug; cyclophosphamide, anti-cancer drug or anti-neoplastic drug; cocaine, cocaine is habit-forming drug; and tariso, that is skeletal muscles relaxant. These drugs they possess some antihistaminic drugs also cross the this barrier and it reaches to the newborn baby. Now, factor affecting adverse drug reaction, drug related factor, that is dose. Improper dose also cause a drug adverse reaction. Uh, that is very common example of this digitalis. Digitalis dose, calculation of digitalis dose or digoxin, digitoxogenin is very important. That is a cardiotonic drug, and these drugs, these drug having a cumulative effect in a body, and if we are giving the continuous same dose in a body, then it may cause a toxic effect, because it give cumulative effect. Cumulative effect is nothing but a uh, accumulation of drug in a body take place in the case of digitalis, and digitalis like drugs. This accumulation of drug is meaning of this, the excretion of drug is less than taking of drug or dose of drug, that cause a toxicity. Now duration of drug or duration or interval of dose, that is also important factor. Now next is inherent toxicity of the agents. These toxicity is differ from person to person. And now pharmacodynamic properties of that particular drug. Earlier I told you uh, some patients are susceptible for the drugs and some are resist for particular drugs. Very common example is person having the habit of tobacco chewing. They are required much dose or more dose of general anesthetic as compared to normal patient. Like similarly, pharmacokinetic properties, I told you the given the example of digitalis drug, that drug is cause cumulative effect or excretion of that drug is very slow. These kind of things uh, also we have to consider to avoid drug adverse reaction. Now, genetic basis. This a typical pseudo cholinesterase faulty hydrolysis of normal action of succinylcholine hydrolysis take 5 minutes. Here it take 1 to 2 hours. Result the prolonged respiratory failure. That is also a cause of uh, drug adverse reaction. Now hydroxylase polymorphism, faulty oxidation, phenytoin toxicity in slow hydroxylators. These are the example of genetic basis. Now, third is acetylators status. In fast acetylators, INH, that is isoniazide drugs used in the treatment of tuberculosis, acetyl hydrazine, and it cause hepatotoxicity. And in the case of slow acetylators, the isoniazide drugs is cause peripheral neuritis. In slow acetylators, in the case of Dapsone, that is anti-leprotic drug or used in leprosy, is cause hemolysis. G G6PD deficiency, that is also enzyme related. X-linked recessive, this primacune, sulfonamides, nitrofurantoin causes hemolytic anemia to the patient. Now some more example of genetic basis, that is uropyrinogen synthetase enzyme deficiency. These enzyme also cause uh, required for the heme synthesis and barbiturate, phenytoin, carbamazepine give rise to acute intermittent porphyria. This is a this cause or this decrease the formation of RBC in a body, or it ultimately it cause the anemia. These of the drug. Now this is type of adverse drug reaction. Type A, that is augmented. Type T, that is type B, that is bizarre. Type C, that is continuous. Type D, that is delay. And type E, ending of use. And type F is failure of efficacy. Uh, Augmented means expected undesirable effect, and type B, that is unexpected desire, that is called desire, unexpected undesirable effect. C, continuous use of particular medication. D, that is delayed action of that particular drugs in the body. And E, the ending use of drugs or withdrawal symptoms of that particular drug. And F is failure of efficacy. That particular drug is not giving the uh, desirable response or expected response in the body. These are the type of adverse drug reaction. We will discuss this type in our next class. So you go through this chapter, and this is third chapter of our pharmacy practice in unit first. You go for throughout this chapter, and some take more examples of the drug adverse reaction. You have to write the example with each and every uh, class, and you have to give the examples, that is give more weightage in your answer. If you are writing theoretical answer, then this question will come near about 7 marks in your RGPB examination. If you are going for this online examination, then because final year students always getting the examination, they won't get any general promotion. So you have to write examination either theoretical basis or online basis. Then this is an important chapter for you people. So you go through this, and these types of adverse drugs reaction I will take in next class, and you tell to your friends also to attend the class. That is important chapter, and you have to cover this chapter sessional as well as university point of view.